We have made excellent progress, you guys. We've done probably a good portion of the application and we're getting towards the end. The scholarship and programs section is, in my opinion, what makes the UC application awesome. In addition to the fact that it is a pretty intuitive application. But this section certainly makes the UC app stand out, and it reminds me why the UC is the UC, meaning that they are top-notch. You can apply for a number of scholarships right here in this UC application based on your specific background, your academic interests, your career plans. So there's a number of categories here. Within the categories, you can see options that may apply to you, and we would certainly highly recommend that you choose those that are applicable to you within each section. Maybe we'll expand all so that it's easier for us. You do have a limit of how many you can select in general. I believe it is 16. It doesn't say it here, so maybe they changed that. But check as many as apply to you. Your ancestry or your ethnicity, religion, extracurricular activities, family circumstances and relationship. There are certainly a lot of you that are first-generation college students. You are certainly all a California Community College transfer if you're watching this video, so certainly consider checking that box. And then there's a section specifically for transfer students as well. These are scholarships that are awarded directly from the UC system, so you still have to apply for FAFSA or the DREAM Act by March 2nd so that you can qualify for as much financial aid as you need. You will find out if you've been awarded any of these scholarships when you've been admitted to the university and they give you an award letter, because a financial aid award letter, because you are admitted. That's where you're going to see, in addition to all your federal and California grants, you will see awards, scholarships from the UC system, and a lot of it is based on this information that you have provided. Save and continue. Support programs. Similar to our EOPS program here at the community college, there's an EOP program at the UC system. It is meant to help our first-generation college students who come from low-income backgrounds. The EOPS serves students from all ethnic backgrounds, but it is open only to California residents and to American Indians from any state. Why are you interested in EOP? I simply put in a quick, one sentence. You can add a little bit more detail if you like, and it is to have additional help in order to be successful at the 4-year. You can include, I am a first-generation college student, and what that really means is that your parents do not have a bachelor's degree. When you are done, save and continue. A quick review of the scholarships that you have selected, as well as your interest in the EOP program. And that's it. This was a real quick section. Now we get to move on to the personal insight questions.